A group of factory workers are working on a production line. One of the workers, a young woman named Alice, is operating a machine that is making parts for a car. The machine suddenly stops working.
Oh no! The machine is broken.
The machine is broken. What happened?
I don't know. I was just following the instructions.
Let's try to restart it.
I guess we'll have to call the maintenance crew.
Okay. I'll do that.
The worker walks away to call the maintenance crew. The maintenance crew arrives and takes a look at the machine. They diagnose the problem and fix it.
There was a problem with the wiring. We've fixed it now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
The maintenance crew leaves. Alice starts the machine again. This time, the machine works properly.
Yay! The machine is working again.
That's great.
Thanks to the maintenance crew.
Yeah, they're the best.
Alice and the other workers continue working on the production line. Machine reliability is important for any business. When machines break down, it can cost businesses time and money. That's why it's important to have a good maintenance crew on hand to fix problems quickly and efficiently. Reliability is defined as the probability that a product, system, or service will perform its intended function adequately for a specified period of time or will operate in a defined environment without failure. Key factors of reliability: run to failure, scheduled maintenance, condition-based maintenance, condition control, redundancy.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.